Alright guys, I'm starting the rewire process now. I mean, I'm not gonna do anymore until after payday. I gotta order some stuff, but I went ahead and did the main harness going into the car without doing that on camera, and just rewired everything back up here. So we're ready. This is ready to go. Keep moving forward up here. And then I stopped after that to come in here. When I came in here, so as you can see, oh, hold on, need light. So as you can see, I brought the wire or the tape in, and that's as far as I went. So we're gonna stop there. I'll pick it back up on the weekend, on Friday, my next day off, and I'll have all weekend to work on starting to wire the stuff. I'm gonna have the two things ordered that I need, and they'll be here, and we can just bust it out and roll on this, making the switch panel, making everything up, making all my custom harness and everything. So yeah. Oh, hold on. All right. So yeah, now the fun part begins of figuring out what pins are what and tracing everything for fuel pump, lights, pulling power wires, and everything else. Running a new fuse block too, so I got to run a power wire for a fuse block, so that's gonna be fun. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna stuff it, but I cleared up a lot of room, so I might be able to fit it right through there. All right guys, well, I'll see you on the weekend. Alright guys, welcome back. It's Sunday, weekend's almost over. I spent Friday doing college work, and Saturday I did my the editing for the videos. So a new video will already be out by the time this one comes out, and there will be a part 2 to this video, or to that same video, because of how much footage I had. So be watching out for those 2 videos by the time this video comes out. If you haven't watched them, go back and watch them. I'm gonna see about figuring out how to put a card up there so you can just look. It'd be right up there. So yeah, over here, 1 or 2. You'll figure it out, but we'll figure it out. So better editing, better videos. A little bit more time to go. We gotta knock out this work. So now we're gonna go back in here. We're going to finish taping all this up. We're going to cut and rewire, solder, whatever we gotta do to the fuel pump sending unit, so it works on the dash and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna put y'all up on the tripod, and I'm gonna jump right on into it. We got a lot of taping to do, a lot of splicing to do. Alright guys. Alright guys, set you up on the tripod over there. You're really not gonna be able to see everything I'm gonna do, but you'll get to see most of it. Not all of it, because I gotta work on stuff all the way up here in this corner. And I kind of can't have the camera up in the corner as well as me working on it, and the door won't stay open, so I can't set you up outside the door with a good angle so you can see me working. But you'll catch most of it, and I'll cut out what doesn't need to be in here. Alright guys, the main camera died, and I think the storage is full, so I'm gonna charge that in a minute. But alright, so I want to show y'all what I got done so far. So because the storage ran out on the main camera, I've got that much of the harness taped up. I got the plugs and the old fuse block put back in there. It's looking good. The relays are all taken care of. I'm butt connector and the wires together, and we're cleaning it all up and getting them all organized and untangled and fixing it all up. We're getting it looking good. About ready to finish taping the stuff up, and yeah, so that's that. I'll get back. I'm gonna sit y'all down over here, let the GoPro run while I work on this some more, because I'm gonna have to cut and splice all this. All right, guys. All right. Now I gotta get the vacuum cleaner, suck all this crap up, and then we gotta work on patching that hole. So we gotta patch that, and that'll be all, which I can just bolt it. That was where the heater box was. So once we do that, I can remove these brake lines, the heater core wire or hoses, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna get right back with you, and we'll keep running on this stuff. Alright guys, so we got all the lumen, or the factory wire, retaped up, spliced in, all packed up nice and neat like it's supposed to go. I haven't finished up back there yet because I haven't made my way back there yet, so we're gonna keep working right here so we can get the, I think I'm gonna keep the dash just so I can have something to support the switch panel to and kind of cover up some stuff. But now we got to work on patching up that hole right there. That's where the heater core went. So we got to work on patching that up. I'm gonna make me a template and cover it up. All right, guys. Get back with you whenever I finish that template. All right, guys. So started marking up the fuse block plate. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put the distribution block right over here, drill a hole through there for ground, and then the power's just gonna come up over here, the breaker underneath here, which is this. I'm gonna put this breaker, and I'm gonna put it right under there. I don't know how I'm gonna attach it there yet, but to kind of keep it hidden, so if I have to, it'd be there. Watching a little bit of TV late at night while I'm working on this. Alright guys, I'll get back to you when I get another update. Some more stuff done. I mean, right now it's just, I'm just fabbing up the plate. I don't have nothing to explain, so I'll get back to y'all when I got an update. Alright guys, update. We got the breaker box mounted, ground cable, ran into a chassis stud, breaker, run to the breaker the fuse box. All right, now I'm gonna run I gotta wait until the morning. I'm gonna end this video here, but I gotta wait until the morning to get some more battery lugs to connect the other side of the breaker up, go through the firewall there, and up to the bulkhead out there in the engine bay. You know which one I'm talking about. The one right there. Alright. So, this might have a multi-part video again. But I'm rolling on it. I'm trying to get there. I still gotta make the switch panel. I'm on night shift now. It's like, yeah. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. We got a lot more work to do, but we're getting a step closer every time. Every time we're getting a step closer. So, be looking forward for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Peace out.